Hello pen testers, this is Punit Darji back again with another cloud pen testing video. So in this video, we are going to talk about public snapshot takeover attack. So in the previous video, I have covered the AWS console takeover attack. So giving a brief about the console takeover attack. So it was the SSRF attack where we get the credentials using metadata and perform the further attack using the tool AWS controller. So if you haven't watched that video, I would recommend to watch that video, so you will get the understanding how we have get the SSRF credentials. So this I will provide the link in description box as well as in the I button, so you will get the better understanding. So with the same attack, let's move on to the snapshot takeover attack. So using the metadata, we get the credentials. So as you can see in the screen, this access ID, secret key and the token. So we get the credentials, and this is the link that we get the credentials, and the console cloud pen test underscore rule. It is the name of the security credentials. So for that we need to configure the profile. So let's configure the profile. Let me CLS and pass the command. Let me small it down. Let's small. So you will get the AWS configure. So I am configuring the profile -- profile, and here I am giving the name of the profile is snapshot takeover, and let me copy the access key ID. So let's copy and paste it over here. The access key, secret key ID. So let's copy the secret key and paste it, giving you the default region US East 1, and output is none. So I have already covered the how you can set up the token in the previous video. So let's describe the EC2 and get the snapshot details. So for that you require the command or AWS CLI. So here AWS EC2 and describe snapshots -snapshots, and pass the parameter owner and self and the profile that we have created. So snapshot takeover. Okay, let's snapshot takeover and hit the enter. So this command will return the snapshot details. The owner self means that particular account details, snapshot details. So the owner ID you can see over here, the snapshot ID you can see, and the start time, volume ID, etc. you can see. So now for the further attack, with the help of snapshot ID, we will search in the public snapshot details, and if we get the public snapshot, we will create the volume and attach the volume to EC2 and see what are the files we can get. So let's copy the snapshot ID, and first of all open the AWS console. So AWS console and sign in. So go to EC2 and go to the snapshots, select the public and search the snapshot ID. So just wait for a few minutes, it's loading snapshots. So here you can see the snapshot ID we get. So let's create the volume first. Still it is loading, not an issue. Just go to action and create the volume for the snapshot. So availability zone US East 1, and we have the volume is created successfully. So the volume ID is this, and the snapshot ID you can see over here. So we have successfully created the volume. Now go to instance and create a new instance and attach the volume. So I have already terminated this snapshot takeover. Launch new instance. Here I am giving the name snapshot takeover, and select Ubuntu, whatever you want. You can use it, the snapshot, and key pair I have already created the snapshot related. So launching this instance, it's launching initialization. So this the instance state is still pending. Let's attach the volume. So here you can see we get the two volumes, first for the instance that we have created, and the another volume that we have created our snapshot. So let's attach the volume, and here attach the snapshot. So the device name SDF, and attach the volume, and go to the EC2. Let's check whether it is attached or not. So just select the EC2 and go to storage, and here you can see we get the SDF volume is attached. The two volumes you can see over here. The one is saying the deletion on termination is yes, and another is deletion on termination no. So when we that means whenever we terminate our EC2 instance, the SD1 will terminate with the EC2 instance, but the SDF will not terminate. So still it is in initializing. And here we go, we get the check pass. So let's connect with the snapshot, or connect with the EC2 instance, and let's connect. So it's showing the establishing the connection. So here we have just clear the screen. Let's and here the pass the command. Let's pass the command lsblk. So this command gives the information about all the available specific block of devices. So we get the volume xvdf1, the attached volume. So let's mount this volume in the mnt folder. So for the mounting we require the sudo command. So let me go inside the mnt and we'll show you what is inside the mnt. It's nothing. Let's ls-al. So it's nothing inside the folder. So now let's mount the volume xvdf1. So let's clear, and the mount sudo mount xdev xvdf1 and give the mnt. So it's mount. Let's see cd/mnt and pass the command ls. So here you can see the flag.txt file. So let's clear again, go to the just clear the screen, and let's I'll pass the ls command. So, oh, it's a root folder. So we need to go /mnt and here flag.txt. So now let's read the flag.txt, and here you can see we get the flag. So this is all about the AWS public snapshot takeover attack. So my motto is to create this video is as a pen tester or red teamer. What else you can do if you get the security credentials? So whenever you get the EC2 credentials, always check with the snapshot and check if it is available in public or not. So AWS say it is a feature, so it depends on application to application. So if you get the juicy information, then you can report, otherwise it is a feature. So summary of the video, or we can say what are the steps that we have performed to gain the access. So first the attack is a SSRF attack to get the credentials. Then we have set up the profile. Then we have given the command AWS describe snapshot with the parameter owner and owner self and the profile snapshot takeover that we have created. And this command returns the snapshot details related to the configure profile. So then we search the snapshot ID in the public section on AWS console. So we get the ID, and then we have created the volume, the snapshot details we get, and we have created volume. Then we have spin the EC2 instance and attach the volume and get the flag. So this is all about the snapshot takeover attack. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your InfoSec friends and subscribe to the channel. So let's connect on LinkedIn at Punit Darji. The link in description box as well. And thank you guys. Thanks for watching.